Mazworx built SR20DET rear-wheel drive long block Stage 2. This motor is rated for street use to 600 horsepower. Displacement has been increased to 2.2 liter utilizing 90mm CP pistons, Darton sleeves, and maintains the factory crank. The head has been CNC ported and built with +1 SuperTech valves to increase breathing. Also has dual guide conversion along with SuperTech dual valve springs and titanium retainers. Kelfer cams and gears top off the head. This motor has been completely gone through. You basically get back a 0-mile engine. No detail has been overlooked or part reused other than the main core components. Our proprietary threaded plugs make the build stand out and lets everyone know it was done at Mazworx. All machining and assembly is done in-house. This same package can be performed on S14, S15 motors. The difference is you will get a new OEM VTC cam gear on the intake cam instead of an adjustable cam gear. Before shipping out, we fill the engine with brake and oil and spin test to ensure proper oil flow and pressure. Virgin core is required. Contact us for more information.